Welcome to my garden. In the last video I have filled the pots with spring bulbs. Today I'm going to plant some pansies on top of them. My mum gave me these beautiful white violets, which I'm going to plant in these pots. I filled them with bulbs, but I left quite a lot of space for the violets to go on top of them. So that I don't have to look at empty pots all winter. They've got a nice healthy root system. I'm just going to pop them in to see how many fit in a pot before I actually plant them. I have placed all the plants on top of the compost to see how many plants would fit in a pot. So I think it's going to look very nice. Now it's time to start planting. To get a good instant display of flowers, I plant them close together. The bulbs will grow through the pansies. I haven't decided yet if I will leave the bulbs to grow through the pansies and let them flower together, or if I will remove and replant the pansies in the garden in spring and cover the bulbs with moss. I use a multi-purpose potting compost. Winter pansies do very well during our mild Dutch winters. When the temperatures get below zero, flowers and foliage will start drooping, but as soon as the temperature rises, they'll come back and give you more blooms. So the only thing I need to do right now is water them, and then they will be fine all winter long, flowering into the spring. So yeah, I really like it. I will clean up before watering the pansies. Check regularly if the soil is dry and water them if needed, especially before a deep freezing period, so they can drink before the ground gets too hard for the roots to draw up water. To lengthen the flowering period of your pansies, pinch out the flower heads that have finished flowering. This will stimulate the growth of new buds and will give you more flowers all winter long, well into the spring. I think growing pansies is a great way to brighten up the garden during the winter season.